श्री गणेश अथर्वशीर्ष भाग्यश्री भाग्यश्री लावते का? गणेश अथर्वशीर्ष
गणेश अथर्वशीर्ष लावते.
श्री गणेश अथर्वशीर्षम्. ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये. त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि, त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि, त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि, त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि, त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि. त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं. ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि. अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानोचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात्. सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्. त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः, त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः. त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि, त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि. त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि. सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति. त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः. त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि. त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः. त्वं देहत्रयातीतः. त्वं कालत्रयातीतः. त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं. त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः. त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं. त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों. गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम्. एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं. गकारः पूर्वरूपम्, अकारो मध्यमरूपम्, अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं, बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं. नादस्सन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः. सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः. निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता. ॐ गं गणपतये नमः. एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्. एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम्. आविर्भूतमच्युतम् च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात्
साक्षात्
श्री
श्री
आदिशक्ति
आदिशक्ति
माताजी
माताजी
श्री
श्री
निर्मला
निर्मला
देव्यै नमो नमः।
Both the hands on lap. We'll say Omkar 4 times from Muladhara to Sahasrara. Attention on center Nabhi. Shri Mataji, please give us inner peace, satisfaction, and generosity of Shri Lakshmi. Mother, please make us satisfied person. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Vishnu. You are only the look after our well-being. Here we surrender all our family worries at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please bless us. Please bless us. Please bless us. Shri Mataji, please give us transformation. Shri Mataji, please evolve us. Shimataji, you are Sakshat Shri Dhanvantari, the god of medicine. Here we surrender all our health issues at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please bless us with good health. श्री लक्ष्मी विष्णु साक्षात श्री धन्वंतरी साक्षात ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री लक्ष्मी विष्णु साक्षात श्री धन्वंतरी साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः. Attention on center Swadhisthana. Shimataji, please come in the form of Shri Brahmadeva Saraswati in our center Swadhisthana. Oh Mother, please give us the divine knowledge of Holy Spirit. Mother, please awaken and enlighten pure desire within us. You are the doer and you are the enjoyer. We do nothing. You can manage everything. We do nothing. Take away all the doer feelings within us. श्री ब्रह्मदेवा सरस्वती साक्षात ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री ब्रह्मदेवा सरस्वती साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः. Attention on word. Shimataji, please come in the form of Shri Adiguru Dattatreya in our void. By your grace, we are our own Guru. Oh Mother, we are our own Guru even though you will guide us. What is true and what is false? What is good and what is bad? Verily, you are our Guru. Shimataji, please destroy all the negative attack coming from false Guru and false knowledge in our void, which affect our spiritual ascent. Mother, please destroy it. Shimataji, please clean and clear our void, and please manifest 10 Guru's principle in our void. We will rotate our right hand on the void and take 10 names of Guru. Shri Raja Janaka Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Raja Janaka Namo Namaha. Shri Lao Tse. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Lao Tse Namo Namaha. Shri Abraham. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Abraham Namo Namaha. Shri Socrates. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Socrates Namo Namaha. Shri Prophet Muhammad. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Prophet Muhammad Namo Namaha. Shri Zarathustra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Zarathustra Namo Namaha. Shri Shirdi Sai Baba. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shirdi Sai Baba Namo Namaha. Shri Guru Nanaka. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Guru Nanaka Namo Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Guru Dattatreya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Right hand on left heart. Shimataji, please come in our heart. By your grace, we are the pure spirit. Please enlighten our Holy Spirit. And spread the light of our spirit all over the world. Shri Mataji, please give us your love and compassion. We will recite morning prayer Oriya. Prata Nami Rudhi Sanspuratmatattvam Satchit Sukham Paramahamsagatim Turiyam Yat Swapnajagar Sushupta Bhavaiti Nityam Tat Brahma Nishkalam Aham न च भूतसङ्घा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः. श्री आत्मा परमात्मा साक्षात। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री आत्मा परमात्मा साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। Right hand on center heart. Shri Mataji, you are Shri Jagadamba and verily you are Shri Durga. Mother, please come in our center heart with your all the weapons. Verily you are our protection. Please protect us with your all the weapons and take away all the insecurity within us. Take away all the fear within us. Oh Mother, please increase our antibodies in our sternum bone to fight with all types of viruses. Mother, please make us fearless. Shri Mataji, please increase our confidence and make us confident person. Make us strong. श्री जगदम्बा साक्षात श्री दुर्गा माता साक्षात। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री जगदम्बा साक्षात श्री दुर्गा माता साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। Right hand on lap, attention on center Vishuddhi. Shri Mataji, please make us collective. Establish us in global collectivity. O Mother, verily you are Shri Virata. Please make us part and parcel of the whole. We are the pure spirit, so we are not guilty at all. Take away all the guilt within us and please bless us with witness state. Take away all the reactions within us. Oh Mother, we should not react. Please give us power to control our anger. Whatever going around us, please give us power. Watch it like a drama. We should not react. Mother, please give us witness state. Oh Mother, please bless us with your sweetness of your tongue, so we can communicate with each other in sweet manner. श्री राधा कृष्ण साक्षात ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री राधा कृष्ण साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. Right hand on Agya. We will place our hand both side of the head. Shrimataji, we forgive everyone, anybody who troubled us, anybody who cheated us, anybody who insulted us. We forgive them. We forgive everyone, including ourselves. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. क्षमारूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षमारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. शांति रूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शांति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. We will place our right hand on back Agya. Shri Mataji, knowingly or unknowingly, if any mistake committed by us, please forgive us. Oh Mother, here we surrender all our past karmas at your divine lotus feet. Shri Mataji, knowingly or unknowingly, if any mistake committed by our family members, if any mistake committed by our ancestors against the spirit, against the work of Shri Adi Shakti. Here we ask to forgive them. Mother, please forgive them and forgive us too. Om Hum Hum Hum. Om Hum Hum Hum. Om Hum Hum Hum. Om Hum Hum Hum. साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. Both the hands on lap. Attention on Sahasrara. Shri Mataji, please establish the joy of our self-realization in our Sahasrara. Here we surrender our ego and superego, all our thoughts and conditioning at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please make us humble. श्री महत अहंकारा साक्षात. त्वमेव साक्षात श्री महत अहंकारा साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. श्री निर्विचारा साक्षात. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री निर्विचारा साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. We will concentrate our attention on Sahasrara and listen Shri Mataji's talk.
Today is a special day. There is a combination of two things happen. Today is first in the morning time at 8:50 in the morning. Was a very important date that started at 8:50 in the morning, called as Ratha Saptami. It's the seventh day, and it is said that the sun travels with his seven forces, or say seven colors, in a big chariot. And today they celebrate this day as the day when the sun travels with the divine vibrations all over the world and illumines. So it was too early for any one of you to do this. So till I got up very early, of course, and worked out that part for you. the second important thing, which is a combination, which is a very, very auspicious thing. That you get on one day two dates. One is Ratha Saptami. On that day you cannot do Havan because it is the Surya already is there. So the second thing is today we do is a very great puja of Ashtami. It's the day when the goddess killed 9 Rakshasas together with her 8 hands. So today is a very special day for which a very special attention is needed. It's only at the behest of the bhaktas that the goddess took her form and killed all these Rakshasas. Also, with her 8 hands, she killed Mahishasura. That's why she is called as Mahishasura Mardini. She is called as Navachandi, the one who has killed 9 Chandas, means 9 Rakshasas she has killed. So it's a very important day and very vital and very deep. It's very simple to say, Mother, we have fixed your puja on such and such day. Nobody thinks what Mother has to work behind the whole thing. You can't fix my puja, it's not proper. It is I who can tell you what time is the best for you to do the puja. So it starts at 2 minutes past 12. So now we can start it, and that's why though I delayed my bath, but that would be too late. So I started my bath little early. 2 पळे म्हणजे 12 वाजून 2 पळे. Then only you can do it. So today is the day of the goddess, a very important day that you are here. Somehow we are having all the pujas on 9 days. And that's why I am wearing this special type of a sari, which is to be used for Ashtabhuja. Vahana is a tiger as well as a lion. Imagine where I am staying, there is a photograph of a tiger and a lion both in that room. You can go and see for yourself. Normally you never get these, but that is there. It is a beautiful photograph enlarged of a tiger and a lion. So in the morning the Surya was very beautiful. I don't know if you saw the morning sun. Tomorrow try to see. It's not important how long you sleep here, what food you eat, whether you get it in time and all that. You should get rid of these habits. It's very important that these regularities and all these mundane type of thing, the bounding of timing and all that, you must get out of it, space and time, everything. And should not go on worrying about things because you get so exhausted. Without doing any work you feel exhausted because you are so fixed up that you can't get out of these habits, you see. While the Indians are not fixed up like that. They know that Mother knows the best. She will come at the time when the puja has to be done. So one should try to understand that if I am the one, then why should you worry? But I have one problem with the Western mind is that if they cannot conceive it, they start criticizing. Instead of making yourself subtler and subtler, the beauty of the divine, if you don't get it, you start criticizing on any point. Anything you can get hold of and you start criticizing. So that's not the way we can grow. That's why I'm telling you beforehand that this puja is very important, and at this puja you have to request that these 9 chandas who are still there should be killed, and this Mahishasura also should be killed. They should be driven out. And that's how it is going to work out, and it's very important. Very important. I have to work it out myself. See, it's not easy. Just to organize a program like a preside over something, you just come along. It is not that. It's much, much deeper. It is much deeper significance, much deeper work has to be done. So many things have to be worked out. It's a very subtle thing. And the more you discuss it, the more you talk about it, you lose it. You should keep quiet and absorb it. So today is not a day of such a mundane time. It's very important. In this small place where we are sitting, we are doing a tremendous job. And you people who are suffered the most on account of these Rakshasas should be absolutely intensively. Be careful that these sinners must go out. Something has to be done. Instead of thinking about yourself and your inconveniences, your troubles, and whatever you call them, which are not so important at all. You are saints, and you must support all divine work by complete understanding. On the contrary, if you are so much worried about your own things, you are of no use to yourself.